बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपको ऑनलाइन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज कोर्स में खुश आमदीद। आज का हमारा लेक्चर नंबर 2 है। यूनिट 1 इंट्रोडक्शन, लेसन नंबर 2। Jobs. As you know, we have different jobs. For example, pilot, an officer, doctor, bank manager, driver, teacher, shopkeeper, and student. We have different jobs here. If you want to introduce yourself, so you can put a job, a work you do in the way we are going to do. For example, I'm a teacher. मैं एक उस्ताद हूँ. I will say I am a teacher. I am a teacher. This is a person driving a car, a taxi. So we call him driver. If he want to introduce, or we want to introduce him, so what will we say? He is a driver. He is a driver. That is a female. She treats patients. She works in hospital. So what will we say? We will say she is a doctor. Her job is a doctor. This is the person in front of me, the second person, and a bank manager. So I will say to him, you are a bank manager. तुम एक बैंक मैनेजर हो. You are a bank manager. As you know, we can use you for one person as well as for more than one. For example, these are two persons. They both are managers. So we will say you are managers. This person says to him, you are managers. You are a bank manager. You are managers. Now, for example, me and my friend, we normally play cricket. Okay, so what we are? Cricketers. So here we will say, हम ये कहेंगे, जब मैं और मेरा दोस्त क्रिकेट खेलते हैं रोज़ाना और हमारा काम है क्रिकेट खेलना, हम खेल सकते हैं, तो हम क्या कहेंगे? हम कहेंगे we are cricketers. We are cricketers. We are cricketers. Now look at these three girls. They work in hospitals. They care after the patients. These are called nurses. So we will say they are nurses. They are nurses. ये क्या है? नर्सें हैं. ये हॉस्पिटल में काम करती है. उम्मीद करते हैं कि जॉब्स को आप समझ गए होंगे कि हम जॉब्स किस तरह इंट्रोडक्शन में लाएंगे, किस तरह हम अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे. अगर नाम है आपका, तो मसलन मेरा नाम है ज़हूर हसन, तो मैं कहूँगा आई एम ज़हूर हसन. मेरे जॉब है टीचिंग का, तो मैं कहूँगा आई एम अ टीचर. आई एम ज़हूर हसन, आई एम अ टीचर. दूसरी वीडियो के साथ मिलते हैं. शुक्रिया. खुदा हाफिज़.